Hi student, let us discuss about paramecium, structure of paramecium and asexual reproduction in paramecium. Student, paramecium, it is also called slipper animalcule. It is mostly found in fresh water. It is the diagrammatic representation of the paramecium. All over the body surface is totally covered with the cilia. More number of the cilia present in the body of paramecium, that is called trichocyst. Student, stand in the body, if you observe, it is the single cell animal, single cell protozoan. In the body of paramecium, oral groove is there. Student, this is the oral groove which is helpful in collection of the food particles, cytostome. Student, it is the oral groove open into the cytostome. Cytostome is considered as cell mouth and leads to opening into the cytopharynx is present at the oral surface. And the two types of the nucleus present in the cytoplasm, student. It is the macronucleus, it is the micronucleus. Macronucleus polyploid stage, it is more than two sets of the chromosomes present in the nucleus, that is called polyploid. Student, this is the macronucleus, helpful in all the control and regulates all the metabolic activities except sexual reproduction. This is the macronucleus, controls and regulates all the metabolic activities in paramecium. And under micronucleus, what about micronucleus? Micronucleus, that is one of the smallest nucleus in the cytoplasm of paramecium. This is the micronucleus, is the main site for the genetical chromosomes, student, and it is also helpful in reorganization of the genetic material at the time of the conjugation process. Okay, student, it is diploid in nature. Two contractile vacuoles present in paramecium. One is the anterior contractile vacuole, another one is posterior contractile vacuole. Helps in osmoregulation of the body. Student, next, and the infraciliary system is also present. Infraciliary system is with the motorium and finally constitutes neuromotor system that controls and regulates the cilia locomotion in paramecium. Cilia also arranged in two types, student. These are longitudinal row of the cilia, these are transverse row of the cilia, student. Instead, what about paramecium transverse binary fission? Transverse binary fission. Students, entire all over the body surface of the paramecium is covered with the pellicle. Okay. Next, it is the food vacuole, which consists food particles. Student, cytophagy. Cytophagy means this is the discharged waste products from the body of paramecium. Student, from the body surface of the paramecium. At the time of the paramecium goes to the binary fission, it is called transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission. At the time of the, before it is going to transverse binary fission, stops feeding and after attaining its maximum growth, it attains maximum growth of the body and stops feeding before it goes to the binary fission. Transverse binary fission, it is transverse binary fission. Student, okay. in favorable conditions, it goes to the transverse binary fission. It is also important. Micronucleus divides by mitosis. Student, micronucleus. This is the micronucleus. Micronucleus divides by mitosis. Okay. And macronucleus divides by a mitosis. Macronucleus divides by a mitosis. Micronucleus divides by mitosis. This is the differences between division of two nucleus. Okay. And this is the totally called karyokinesis. And now it is also follows with the cytoplasmic division, cytokinesis, which is called. Okay. One of the transverse constriction appears in the middle of the body. Student, it is the middle of the body. It is the middle of the body. In the middle of the body, there is one of the transverse constriction is appears. This is the constriction. This is the constriction which is formed in the middle of the body, and it is constriction deepens in the middle of the body and divides the parental paramecium in two parts. Student, divides the parent cell, which are the two parts, one at the anterior position and another one is the posterior part. Anterior portion of the paramecium is called proter and posterior part of the paramecium is called opisth. This is the constriction deepens and divides the body into two parts. One is the proter, another one is the opisth. These are two daughter individuals, two daughter paramecium. Proter, one is the proter, another one is the opisth. Okay, before it going to the transverse binary fission, oral groove is disappears. Okay, oral groove is disappears. Okay, it is important. Proter. What about the proter? This is the proter, this is the opisth. What about the proter? Proter receives anterior contractile vacuole and cytopharynx, cytostome from the parent individual, from the mother paramecium. These are receives. New oral groove is develops in proter. Okay, student. And what about the opisth? Opisth receives posterior contractile vacuole. Student, posterior contractile vacuole receives by the opisth. Okay, and it develops new oral groove, cytostome, cytopharynx and the anterior contractile vacuole. That is about the opisth. Okay, student. Macronucleus, micronucleus. Disappearance of the parental oral groove. Oral groove is disappears when it is enters into the transverse binary fission. New oral groove is develops in both of the daughter individuals. Student, it is about the transverse binary fission in paramecium. Okay. It is also called homothetogenic division. What about homothetogenic division? It is the transverse binary fission in the paramecium. It is shows right angle to the body axis. Student, it is the transverse binary fission in the paramecium. Shows right angle to the body axis. So this is the body axis and transverse binary fission. It is divides into two parts. One is the proter and another one is the opisth. This is the constriction which is deepens and divides the body into two parts. It is always right angle to the body axis. So it is called homothetogenic division. It is also shows right angle to the kinetics of the body of paramecium. So it is called perkineital fission. percanatal fission. Student, okay, it is the transverse binary fission approximately complete in 2 hours. Complete in 2 hours. Okay, next, fourth generation of the daughter individuals are produces per day. Student, by the binary fission, transverse binary fission, one of the parent individual that produces 4 generations of the daughter individuals per day. This is about the paramecium and transverse binary fission in the paramecium.